Welcome to Project Pro. Today we have got some exciting news to share with you. I'm here to introduce our brand new feature quizzes with you. Quizzes are now live on our platform for few of our projects, and they're designed to make learning and engagement even more interactive and fun for you. From testing your knowledge to interactive challenges, we have got range of quizzes coming up for you. And it doesn't stop there. We'll be adding more quizzes to all of our projects very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for even more opportunities to test your skills. So let's just dive in and see what are these quizzes and how we can solve this. I'll be mentioning the list of quizzes and projects with this particular video. Please go and check those quizzes out and try to solve those based on your knowledge. So once you are on the project screen, on the left hand side panel where the videos and architecture diagram and everything is present for this particular project, you can see there is a new button for solve quiz. Once you click this, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now, this particular quiz is based on these two videos and so on. So I urge you to watch the videos first before going and solving the quizzes. It will test your knowledge based on the previous two videos. Once you have watched the videos and you have understood what concepts have we explained in this particular videos, just go and start the quiz. For starting the quiz, just click the button and you'll be redirected to this particular form. So these are the type of questions currently are present for this particular quiz. Now, let me just randomly select some answers to make sure that we understand what is the process of solving everything. Now, I'm just randomly selecting some answers and let's just click submit button to make sure this quiz is submitted. Now, the response is recorded for this particular quiz and you can see your score by clicking the view score button. So in here, let's say if you have given some wrong answers, you will be getting correct answers for those questions and then feedback for those answers, why this particular answer is correct in this scenario. So for example, in here, for this question, what is the main goal of using least square estimates in regression? The answer is to minimize the sum of squared residuals, not to increase the number of predictors, and the feedback is written for you. So similarly, for all the questions, you will see the feedback. Now, you'll see your total score over here. So I've gotten 0 out of 10 because I've selected all the answers. So I urge you to watch the videos and solve the quizzes later. I hope you will find these quizzes exciting. See you soon with more quizzes coming up. Thank you so much.